guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been gone for a hot minute, but I'm back. Last month I was feeling not as creative, so that's why I was gone. I'm so happy to be back. I'm back on my usual schedule, and I'm just feeling good today. So I wanted to do a glowy summer makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. But don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more content. And yeah, let's get into it. So I already did my eyebrows, and it's pretty much the same routine I do in every video, so I didn't feel like doing them because they take like forever. But as you can see, my face is way paler than my body. I've been self-tanning, not on my face though. I mean, like a little bit, but it doesn't work on my face for some reason. I'm going with my Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer, and it's the illuminating one. And this is in the shade Natural Radiance. It's darker than my skin tone, like when I'm pale, but right now it matches. And that's why I bought it for summer. So I'm just gonna be using like a little foundation brush and swiping it on my face. Like that. Take a little bit down my neck because we want to match. Also, if you're wearing your hair up like I am today, I'm gonna put some on my ears. Our ears have to match as well. Then I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. It's in the shade Fair Clair. And I'm going to conceal under my eyes. I don't add too much. Like, I hate when people add like triangles under their eyes because it's just like so much. I don't feel like you need that, at least for the summer. Then on my little spots I have and on my chin. Might add right here too. And that's all I do, and then I just blend it out with my little beauty blender. I'm gonna be taking the NYX finishing powder. I like pressed powders better because I feel like it's less messy. It's not gonna get all over my outfit like a loose powder. But I take this little contour brush because I feel like it gets underneath my eyes really well, and I just pat pat pat. And then my eyelids, I like to just like blend this in like I'm blending an eyeshadow because I feel like you really get the creases out that way. And then right here, because I get oily. My chin, basically anywhere we concealed. I don't add powder anywhere else. I don't want to be too cakey. Then for bronzer, I add this butter bronzer by Physicians Formula. It smells just like a tropical island, so it's perfect for summer. Then I take this little brush, Norman, and it's really light too. I don't like a heavy bronzer. And we're just gonna go in like, no! Forehead. Since I'm growing out my bangs, because I feel like bangs, I feel like bangs are for like a winter vibe, because in the summer they stuck to my, like they're sticking to my face because it's so hot out. I'm taking a little, I think this is like an eyeshadow brush by Real Techniques, and I'm using this as an eyeshadow. Put that all over the lid, and then whatever's left, I go underneath like that, a nose contour. Like, who am I? Like, I'm still here for that. Just like this. Underneath, make it a little shorter. There, okay. So this is the Milk Kush Mascara. I've been using this for like probably a year now, and it's amazing. It comes with so much in the tube, and it's really heavy. And it just is lasting me forever. Look at that that glow. Like, I'm not wearing highlighter on my nose. That's literally the foundation. I actually got this tinted moisturizer. I only use tinted moisturizers. I just feel like it's thin and it's not too thick, and it kind of moisturizes your skin at the same time. But I got this one because of Kelsey Simone. I got during the VIB sale, so I got it pretty cheaper than usual, because no way I was gonna pay like 50 bucks for like a foundation. I don't wear like lipsticks or anything because I just feel like my lips are tiny and I don't want to accentuate my tiny lips. One day I want to get lip injections, like lip fillers, just like, because you see how that's like bigger than up here. I feel like it just needs to go poof, and then maybe like even it out the bottom, because it'd feel weird if I only got the top done, you know what I mean? So this is my favorite lip product. It's like a lip oil, so it's really hydrating. It's in the shade Buff and it's by Tarte. Looks like this. The color is really pretty. It's kind of like a mauve. It has a nude. It kind of matches my lip color. I'm applying my facial mist. This is by St. Ives and it's in the Spritz a Little Zinc with sparkling orange scent. Wakes you up in the morning. I love this stuff. I'm gonna be applying this all over my face. Well, this is the finished makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I'm gonna be posting here way more often now. I just feel more inspired and ready to get back on track with my usual schedule. Norman is squeaking. I hope you enjoyed his little feature in this video. Bye guys, love you.